guys, so today I am going to be giving myself a zodiac makeover. Now, I'm extremely late to this trend. I know nothing about astrology, I know nothing about star signs. I used to read my horoscopes as a teenager and that's about as far as I've ever delved into that little world. I am fascinated by it, but I don't know anything about it. So today's video, I'm just going to be transforming myself into what the internet perceives a Leo to look like. I'm going to be doing my outfit, my hair, my makeup. In the videos that I've watched, they have essentially searched on Google for star sign makeup looks or something like that, and people have put together little collages of what the different star signs eye makeup should be or what lipstick they should wear. So I figured I'm gonna collate as much as I can together and put together a complete final Leo look and see if I truly am a Leo after all, or if I've just been faking it this whole time. I would like to give a big shout out to Natalia Taylor, Mia Maples and Sophie Louise. Their videos are fantastic on this. I will leave them linked below, so props to them. Go check their videos out. After you've watched mine, of course, because you're here now, you may as well stay. The links in the bio will still be there at the end of this video, so now we can get into the fun part. So first up, I'm going to do my makeup. I've got quite a few different categories that I have collected, and I'm going to try my best to recreate, to the best of my ability, the specific Leo pictures from each of those collages. I suppose there's nothing left to do now but to take off the makeup that I've got on and crack on with the rest of this video. I'll be walking down the street and you'll be like, oh, she's got to be a Leo. Look at her. She's got every trait they could possibly have. So here I am with my cup of tea and I'm going to start to attempt being a key word, my makeup. The main thing I'm worried about is the eye look, because I'm no makeup artist and the eye look that it is that's for a Leo is hard. This is going to be dreadful. So I'm going to insert a picture of the eye look that I'm going to be attempting, and attempting being the main word there. This is going to be such a disaster. I have no idea even how to do it, but I'm going to give it my best shot. There's nothing more to say, then let's just get into it. I'm actually dreading it. I think this is why I'm talking a lot, because I'm really scared to start. Let's just hope for the bloomin' best. I don't really need to prime my eyes because I don't want this to stay. I know it's going to turn out dreadful, and I do not want this makeup look to stay. So, primer is on. Now I've got to go in with blue. So it seems to be kind of a tealy turquoisey blue wash over most of the eye, and then a kind of cut crease with black going in. I don't know how I'm going to do that. Mine's probably not going to look anywhere near the same, but I can do my best. So to start with, I'm going to go in with the blue. Okay, so I've got quite a lot of blue on my eyes, if you couldn't tell. I'm now going to go in with a fluffy brush so it's just not quite so harsh in there. Okay, so I've just fluffed out those edges so it's not quite so harsh. It's very aggressively blue and in your face. What I'm going to do now is go in with concealer, I think, and then go over the top with the blue again and then black on the edges. That's the best thing I can think of to do, so wish me luck. Okay, well this looks like absolute garbage, so I apologise. I'm just going to go in now with a much smaller brush and try and get the black in the corner, and then go back over with the blue, and then I've got a white eyeliner to go over the top, and then I'm going to add some glitter, and hopefully that'll be the majority of my eye look done, because I'm ready for it to be over and it's only just started. So from just seeing how this powder comes out, I'm actually, that's such a mess, I'm actually going to go in with liquid eyeliner just to get really sharp on there and then blend out to the black eyeshadow, so bear with. Okay, so I've just gone back over that concealer with the blue, which might seem a bit backwards, and why did I do that? And I wish I knew the answer because it was a bit of a waste of my time. But now I'm going to go in with this really teeny tiny brush, try and smudge out this black and see how it turns out. And the wings are totally uneven, but it's fine. So I've just filled in a bit of that black with the brush and the eyeshadow, and now I'm going to try and blend the two together. I've got a little bit more blue back on this brush. I'm just going to go over that join and hope, I don't know what I'm doing, I'm going to hope that it kind of blends out a little bit. That's that's looking a bit better. The wings are entirely different. And now what I've got to do is put some white eyeliner in that crease and going up, and then I'm going to go in with some glitter over the top, and that'll be my eyes mostly done, but other than lashes. I'm so shaky. What's going on? Oh, it's probably because I haven't had a sip of my tea in a long time. It's probably cold by now. Lukewarm, that is. Lovely. I've got to down it now. Champion. Okay, I'm giving up on the white. There is no saving this. So I think I've also just realised that in the picture it looks like there's a thin layer of black liner on the lash line. So I'm going to go in and do that in just a second, but what I'm going to do is go over this white eyeliner with a bit of light blue in the hopes that it'll save it a bit. So the eyeliner is thicker than it should have been. It should have been a very thin, subtle line, and I've just made it not subtle, but subtle on this eye. Funny. To say I'm stressed is an understatement. I'm sweating. I am so ready for this eye look to be done, and I can move on to other things and try and ignore the disaster that's happening on my face. So I'm not going to do a really nice tight close-up of my eye look because I don't need that kind of negativity in my life. You can see it from a distance where you can't see quite how bad it is. Hopefully on camera it looks half decent. Okay, so now that that's a disaster, what I'm going to do is put the glitter on. Okay, so the glitter is on and my eyes are pretty much finished. I haven't done my mascara and I haven't put any eyeliner on my waterline because I'm going to do all of that once my base is done. So this is my best effort. So now I'm going to go in and do my base, and then I'll see you back on the other side. Okay, so whilst my under eyes are baking, I'm going to do my eyebrows. As you can see from this picture, apparently Leos have an eyebrow shape not too dissimilar from my own anyway, which is pretty good. So I'm just going to try and emphasise that arch just a tiny bit more. I'm just going to fill in my brows pretty much how I normally do, just trying to give myself a tiny bit more of an arch. Okay, so my eyebrows are officially a lot more vibrant and in your face than they normally are, but I've tried to make them just a little bit more arched because that's apparently what Leos do. So next I'm going to go in with my blush. There was nothing online that I could find for a blush, so I'm just going to pick a subtle blush and just go with it. So highlighter. Right, so I actually managed to find a highlighter picture for Leo. Here is what the highlight should look like. I never go for that because I don't think it goes with my skin tone whatsoever, but I'm going to have to go for the pinky purpley one because that's apparently what Leos do. You can probably see that highlight on there. That's quite a bit of highlight I put on, but the picture was heavy, you know, so your girl had to try and compete. So the next thing that I'm going to do is put some kohl eyeliner on my waterline, and then comes the lashes. Now I'm really terrified of eyelashes, putting them on. I'm going to try my best. So the picture of the lashes that apparently Leos have are quite specific, but I thought that this pair here, the second pair down, this was quite similar to that picture. I've got this tool to put eyelashes on, but I don't know if this is actually any good or not. I'm going to give it a go and hope for the best. It's also filthy. I don't clean any of my things. I'm a disgusting human being. Right, I'm going to go in for the other eye. Oh my god, I can see it above my eye. It is so horrible. I hate lashes, and these are mahoosive. They're tickling my eyebrows. So I'm going to go in with the other side and attempt this again. I think this contraption worked though. Okay, so the lashes are on, debatably on. They are hideously distracting. There's the lashes. I feel ridiculous now. If I didn't think that my eyes looked redonkulous before, they look absolutely wild now. What is going on? Who do I think I am? This is crazy. All that's left to do now makeup wise is my lips. The lipstick looked like this. So I'm going to do a lip liner, but I do actually have a lipstick that I think will work very, very well for this. I think it's very similar if I can find it. I don't think this look is going to be very cohesive, but apparently this is how Leos should live their lives. So let's do my lips. Okay, that is not a bit of me. This shimmery golden pink thing, no sir, not for me. I don't think it's very cohesive. The pinky purpley highlight, the bright blue eyes, the massive lashes, and this like frosty pinky gold lip. Not for me, but you know, a Leo's got to do what a Leo's got to do to be a Leo, so that's it. So, makeup done. Check. Not done well, but done. Do I look nice? Do I look like a Leo? If you saw me in the street, would you think I was a Leo? Be honest. While I wipe my nose. Let's move on to the outfits. Okay, so I've got outfit number 1 on. I'll put up a picture of the inspo, which is obviously, as you can see here, a yellow baggy like high neck jumper, some black skinny jeans, or some glasses. These are my actual reading glasses. It's meant to come with a black crossbody bag. I don't own one of those, so I put a yellow one. I thought it kind of went. I mean, it's a different colour yellow, but like, it's the closest I can do. And I've got black Vans. Now, I don't have the Vans with the white on them. I don't own those Vans, so this is the best I can come up with for this look. I mean, it's all right. It's kind of similar to something I would already wear. I mean, I already own these clothes. So this is the autumnal winter look. I'm now going to try on the more kind of spring summer looks. So this is outfit number 2. As you can see, this is the inspo pic. This is the closest I can find. I don't have any like distressed denim shorts, but I do have these like mum shorts, which are the closest thing I've got. And I do have a yellow top with like the different coloured lining. Again, that one was white, this one's blue, but you know, you got to do what you got to do. I would 100% wear this outfit in the summer. This one doesn't come with shoes though, so that's a bit of a flaw. I'm out of breath from getting changed. How embarrassing is that? But yeah, this is definitely an outfit I would wear. Again, I already own these clothes, so it's pretty obvious that I would wear them. So yeah, this is 100% an outfit I feel comfortable in. No accessories, no... Who am I posing on the door like this? I'm just so lazy that I need something to help me stand up for a long period of time. That's the reality. I'm not sure this outfit, or any of the outfits to be honest, go with the makeup look. This is very casual, very, I'm just going down to the beach. Maybe I'm taking my penny board with me. I don't penny board. I'm going to decide out of all 3 which one's my favourite, and then do my hair and have that as my final outfit. Outfit number 3, out of things I already own. This is a distressed denim, not quite mini skirt. This is the closest I've got to what's in the picture. And again, I'm out of breath from getting changed. That's so pathetic. And again, my top is different. It is yellow. Notice the theme of all of these. Apparently, Leos wear yellow, which is great for me because yellow is my favourite colour. It's the same like style of top as the picture. Not much more to say. Again, no shoes. This is look number 3. I'm going to stand on my tiptoes because I feel the frame a bit better. Oh, just get that itch out my ear. So this is outfit number 3. I think I'm going to stick with this one because I can't be bothered to get changed again, for 1. And 2, I think it probably matches the makeup look and what will be the hair look the most. So all that's left to do is the hair. Off we go. Okay, so now it's time for the bit that I'm sort of dreading the most. I mean, I know that I need to undo my skirt because lockdown has not been kind to me. Oh, that's so much better. It's a style that I quite often do, generally. Like, I'll put a picture up now. As you can see, it's just 2 Russian plaits turned into buns on the bottom, which I do fairly often. I need to obviously pull some strands out and make it look a bit more full. But as you can see, it's very colourful, and I have 1 colour hair. So it's time for me to get the hair chalks out and do some colouring in of my hair. So I'm going to just start by literally splitting my hair down the middle, doing 2 Russian plaits and putting them into little buns and kind of fluffing them out a little bit, and then I will fill you in on the next step. Wow, she's so good at this YouTube thing. Right, off we go. Okay, I think that's about the best I can do with the hair that I've got. I look like I'm going to a wedding, but like a wedding for a drag queen. So I'll show you the back quickly. I haven't seen the back yet, so it's probably horrendous and I apologise. But this is what I've done. Welcome to the back of my head. I hope you like it. I'm going to rope the boyfriend in to come and colour in my hair. This is like the final piece de resistance. Now I will say, the look has got glitter in the hair. I won't be doing that. One, I don't own glitter like that. And also, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that. It does look really purple. Purple. Why did I say it like that? So this is stage 1. Is the purple. So we've done all of I haven't done any of it. He's done basically everything apart from the plaits. So that's how we're looking after part 1. Now I'm just going to go in with the other colours and colour in the plaits and the buns and probably these front little wispies.
I can't believe I have to do every individual like plait bit. That's going to be well hard.
Oh, you're tickling my bag.
Sorry, so it does make your hair look a little bit crusty, but I'm used to that. I'm used to seeing your hair crusty.
The abuse, I mean it's true, but the abuse! You're outing me, it's not fair.
So yeah, you look like a pack of rainbow drops right now.
That's amazing. What other compliment do you need in life than you look like a packet of rainbow drops? So is it done?
It's done.
Oh my goodness me. This is wild. My hair has never been so cool in all of my life, so I'm going to just do a quick... Oh, I don't know how I'm going to do this.
Spin the shower around, no?
Just get on my knees.
Not working with much space here.
Got literally the tiniest face in the world. What do you think? I'm going to do a whole look in just a second from the tip of my head to the tips of my toes. But I'm going to add some earrings because the earrings I found that are Leo's are here somewhere on the screen. And as you can see, they are moon and stars. Now, I don't have these earrings. So I've got just a star and a moon stud earrings that I'll put in, which is the closest thing I've got. They're not similar at all, but they're the closest thing I've got. So I'll put those in and then I'll do a full reveal of the entire look. Okay, so I've got my earrings in now. I've just got a crescent moon on this side with a little blue stud to match my eyes. And on this side, I've got a star stud and obviously a blue one. So this is the closest I could get to those earrings without having to fork out and buy some brand new. So the look is complete. I will now give you a full head to toe look. Oh, it's very crusty. So I hope that was as fun for you to watch as that was for me to make. I mean, I was a bit stressed about the eyes, but it was so much fun to make, and most of all, I just hope you enjoy it. And if you did enjoy it, it would really, really mean a lot to me if you could give it a like and maybe subscribe to my channel. Every like goes a long way and every subscriber goes a long way, so I'd really, really appreciate it if you enjoyed it. If not, literally no problem, totally chill, it doesn't matter. I hope you like this new look. This could be me from now on, probably not. This is the finished look. I absolutely love it and hate it at the same time. It's not cohesive whatsoever. My hair is festival, my face is drag queen, my outfit is just summer. So it completely does not go together whatsoever, but that's half the fun of it. I think I look nothing like I normally look, and that's the whole point of this. This is to say you're allowed to look however you want, you're allowed to dress however you like, you're allowed to do your makeup, your hair however you want to. It doesn't matter if you are a Leo, a Sagittarius, a Taurus, a Cancer, the list goes on, you know? So here I am, the typical Leo. This is how a Leo should look. So if you're a Leo, take notes. Thanks so much for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye!